All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. On today's episode, we're going to do something that's going to require precision forestry. Sounds pretty cool, right? I thought it'd be a lot better than a fat guy with a chainsaw near a building. But today, I got to cut down a bunch of trees that have grown in front of a garage we have so I can get a clear line of sight for the camera I'm going to be sticking on there. And I'm currently driving to that location across the property. It's going to take a few moments to get there, but stay tuned. We are now approaching the target destination. Hang on, guys. This is going to be rough. I'm at the site location now. It's already a whopping 90-something degrees out, so it's going to be a hot day. And I'm already seeing some weird stuff around here. Stuff I didn't realize was here. There's like a random ladder laying in the trees. I don't know why. I haven't been up here in a while. As you can see right here, this area, these trees, they all got to be cut down. All the stuff that's right here in my way. Whoa, spider web. You got to pull this out. Huh. Wow, the camper's been moved. I didn't realize that. And I got to cut these trees down. And if you could tell, here's the building. It's engulfed by trees. Everywhere we go, there's just trees, trees, trees. And somebody messed with that. This was the solar panel kit I had set up, and someone went through and moved it. I don't know why. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot to cut down. Make sure I get a clear view. Now, where I'll probably put the camera system is either on the corner right here behind these trees, or maybe right there in that top of the building. But I won't be until until I get all these trees cleared out. So this is going to be a long, tedious task. So Operation Timber something or other is a go. Yeah. All right, guys. It's time to get the equipment all set up so I can start cutting these trees down. If you didn't know, chainsaws require oil. I just spilt most of it. Oh well. Oh wow. I had a. Yeah, let's try this one more time. All right, that should be good. That's for the pole. I brought a backup fan because of how hot it's going to be today. All right, cool. That's working. Sure, you're working. Okay, guys, let's get some tree cutting going. Um, hmm. All right, I got a plan. All right, before I begin, here's what I'm thinking. So there's a water storage tank right there that my neighbor uses for whenever the well goes dry. We let them stick it there, so that way it's not in the way of our yard, since we don't really use this spot at all. But I'm thinking I'll clear this tree out first. That way there's easy access to that thing. And then I'll work my way back. I don't know if I'll get all this done in one episode. It's probably going to take quite a bit of time to get all this done, but let it begin. Did my tool just break? This is new, and it's not working. Black & Decker, what's up with this? You really got to work on your truck quality control. Well, that's disappointing. I guess I'll just start cutting branches. Darn. All right, if you guys remember from the previous episodes, I got this new branch trimmer. But I think this might work to reach deep in there so I don't have to get down there with the chainsaw. But looks like I got to dig a bunch of stuff out of this though first. Well, there's a little compartment here. And it's packed full of leaves. And I think you need the tool. Well, maybe not. Safety first. Remove the battery. I'm not very safety oriented. Don't be like me. You might lose a finger or something. Oh, it does come off. Watch me break this thing. Or something. Alright, now I think this comes off. Ooh. Dang. Alright, I guess that's good enough. Well, shake that stuff out. It's the power pole. What the heck's going on here? Ooh. This saw's a monster. You still alive? You guys still alive in there? I guess that tree wanted revenge. I thought about cutting the base of the tree first. This way it's in smaller pieces. Oh. There we go. All right, so I've been thinking about it, and I'm going to concentrate on getting this one tree down today. It might take a couple days to do this, like a tree a day, in order to get all this cleared out. Because what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut this up, throw it in the bed of the truck, take it back and get it burned. Because the wood chipper we have, it's broke. So I have to burn it instead. So I got to break it down into smaller pieces and stuff. So here we go. It's kind of sad I got to cut this tree down because it's a food tree, but it grew in the bad spot. I gotta cut this one. Yes, I think this is a food tree. It looks like they're berries, but I'm not sure. Can I cut this? No, I probably can't. Ooh. These trees just don't want to come apart, do they? It's not even a tenth of the tree. And just thinking about it, having to haul the stuff back to the house just to burn it doesn't seem very effective. Trying to figure out what I can do here. I like to burn it up here, but I would have to make sure all that grass is mowed down so the fire doesn't spread. But the problem is there's no water up here, so if something went wrong, it'd be really bad. Whereas in the back, I got plenty of water. This could all be solved if I had a wood chipper, but the wood chipper I have is broke. It's really unfortunate. mock just died again. I really should have brought my safety glasses, but oh well. Well, as you guys can see, that bed of the truck is full. And there's only like a few branches. I still have, let's see if I can get this in the shot. All this tree still yet to go. I might have to rethink my plan. It looks like I really do need to get a wood chipper. The one I have is broken, unfortunately. And I don't know how to fix it. So I might just have to go out and buy one. And that's going to be like $500. But probably be worth it. Be a lot easier to do. So I might have to do that. But for now, I'm going to take these branches on up out back, and we're going to burn them. So I'll see you back there soon. All right, guys. So I unloaded the truck, all the branches and stuff. I came to the realization I absolutely need a wood chipper. So the project of cutting down the trees is currently on hold for a little while. And it's also extremely hot out. It's almost 100. It's pretty bad. So I got on the riding mower, and I'm going to go up there, mow some grass, try to mow out the area a little bit. And then I'll probably call it from there. So let's go. More power! Hey guys, Fat Guy Fixer Upper here. So, well, here's what's going on. So, as you saw on the riding mower, riding along, and all of a sudden the video stops. Well, what happened is it was so hot outside, the phone overheated again. I couldn't get it to work. So, what I ended up doing is I went up there and finished mowing that area. And afterwards, I called it a day. Sorry, I couldn't show you on camera, but it was pretty close to 100 on that day. So it was really hot. So that's going to conclude our video for today. If you liked what you saw, remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell, post some comments. I might reply back to them. You never know. So I'll see you guys on the next episode.